Hey guys, in this video let me share you how to create passkeys for your Google account on PC. Whenever you're trying to log in your Google account in your PC, so you can use a passkey method. Like here is just a click on try another way, click on use your passkey. Now I am getting this dialog box. So now I can use my Windows 11 password itself, or if you're using laptop means you can use your touch ID itself to log in your Google account. So basically you can easily log in your Google account using your Windows password itself. Well, by creating a Google passkey, you can able to do this. So for that, firstly, you need to just open the Google Chrome browser, and in Google Chrome browser, if your account is already logged in means here at the top right, you can see the profile icon. Click on it and click on manage your Google account, or else you can just go to the accounts.google.com. There you can see the my account details. So once you entered, now this is a new interface for your Google account. Now here click on security and sign in option. Click on passkeys and security keys. Now you need to enter your Google account password again as a extra layer of security, but I already created passkey in my PC, so I can just enter my Windows 11 password pin itself, so to log in my Google account. Now once you enter the passkeys and security keys page, now here is the option create a passkey. So I already created a passkey in my Windows PC. In case if you want to remove the passkey also, by just clicking on the into option, you can easily able to remove the passkey. Now I am removed the passkey in my Windows PC. And one more thing is that if you log in your Google account in any Android phone, then the passkeys will be automatically created. So here it is. So I already logged in my Google account in two of my Android smartphone. So it automatically created. You can't able to remove the passkeys from the Android phone. In case if you want to remove the passkey means you must sign out your Google account from that Android phone. Now here click on create a passkey. Now just click on create a passkey. Now it will show save your passkey like that. So this will be saved to your Windows device. Just click on continue. Now you just need to enter your Windows 11 password, whether you are used your PIN or password, or you are having a touch ID, use that. And that's it. It's very simple. Now the passkey is created. Now you can now use your fingerprint, face, screen lock, or a hardware security key to verify it's really you signing in. Just click on done. Well, that's it. In this way, you can easily create a passkeys for your Google account on PC, laptop. And hopefully, if you like this video, hit the like, subscribe. Thanks for watching.